Are you worried about losing your important AOL emails? Need a hassle-free way to backup or migrate your AOL mailbox? Introducing the Regain AOL Mail Backup and Migration Tool. An ideal AOL email backup tool that exports all your mailbox emails into PST, MBOX, PDF, and many other file formats. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain AOL Mail Backup and Migration Tool. On Google's search page, open this website. This is the official website of Regain software. Here click on the free download button to download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, right-click on the exe file and run as administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. After the installation is completed, right-click on the software icon and run it as administrator. This is the user interface of the software. Here in the Login wizard, you have the option to log in multiple email accounts. However, to start logging your AOL mail account, first select AOL. Then enter your AOL mail email address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. Make sure to use app password, in case two-step verification is turned on in your AOL mail account. And then click on the Login button. As a result, all the emails of the AOL mailbox will be imported on this software. Simply just click on any folder, and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top right panel. Now, click on the Export button. In the Export Options window, select the format in which you want to back up your mailbox emails. For now, I am selecting the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the output file. And then click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the backup process will be started, and once it's done, the output file will be saved on your local directory. Besides backup, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. Here you have the option to log in multiple email accounts and migrate your mailbox data. For this tutorial, I will log in my Gmail account and migrate the AOL mailbox emails to Gmail. For that, first select Gmail, or G Suite. Enter Gmail address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. And then click on the Login button. Then in this window, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and once it's done, all the mailbox emails will be available on Gmail. Here you can see that the migration process has been successfully completed. So, to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see that all the mailbox emails have been successfully migrated. So if you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.